Welcome on this sunny but cold morning in winter in the UK on the entrance to the Thames estuary to SHIPWATCH. Today we're going to be looking at Neuseborg. Here's some highlights on what's coming up. The crew waves. We get offered a cigarette. The captain tries to throw something at us. And we get quite literally invited into the captain's cabin. Stick around and we'll take a look. So let's delve into some of the numbers of this particular ship. So Neuseborg, she weighs in with a summer deadweight tonnage of around 6,400 according to Wagenborg. She's got a length of 111 metres, just shy, with a beam of 14 metres. She was built in 2006 and she's classed as a general cargo ship, but she's actually got a Swedish/Finnish ice class rating, which means that she's got 1A, which allows her to navigate her way through the slightly more treacherous paths. Although she's not an icebreaker, she can be accompanied by an icebreaker, so she's got sort of a strengthened hull underneath to allow her to get through that little bit easier where some of the other cargo ships may not be able to get. It's quite important because a lot of her routes that she takes actually sees her going through waters which are iced up and are iced over now and again. She flies the flag of the Netherlands, as is common with the Wagenborg fleet. She's featured here in the beautiful grey and red colours of Wagenborg. She features a Mach 8 M25 engine which kicks out around 2,600 kilowatts and it spins at around 750 RPM. She also features bow thrusters. These are 335 kilowatts and just help her manoeuvre a little bit. So let's talk a little bit about Wagenborg. They've got around about 170 ships in their fleet. Normally their fleet will range in size between 1,700 to 23,000 tonnes according to their website. They have ice-strengthened multi-purpose vessels and they will all be under the Dutch flag, which is no difference here as well. So she's got two cargo holds. One hold is slightly larger than the other. However, total combined, they're around about 278,000 cubic feet, which, to be fair, that's a lot of grain if you're loading it up with grain. A lot of animal feed, a lot of whatever you want to move around. So we went for a little bit of a sneaky look at the bridge, see if we could see anybody in there. And sure enough, we got a glimpse of the crew in there and what appeared to be the captain. And sure enough, they noticed us. They came out to greet us, or so we thought. The cheeky sod comes out, gives us a bit of a wave, and then threatens to throw something at us. Honestly, it's all a good jest. He gives us a super thumbs up afterwards, and to be honest, we absolutely love it when the crew are like this. Now you'll notice the other guy gets his phone out and starts filming us. Now maybe we might end up on their YouTube channel, and while they're turning up on ours, like some mysterious closing loop. If anybody finds the video, we'd love to see it. So it was freezing out there. As nice as the day looks, there was an absolute wind ripping through, as there often is here at Margate Roads, Anchorage. And it was absolutely freezing. I can tell you that now. It was to the point where my fingers were starting to feel like they were going to fall off whilst operating the drone. So we just started to do a final pan around the rear when we noticed, I don't know if you can see, but you can see them both out on the balcony there, just off the bridge, waving us down, almost trying to get our attention, which we're always up for a bit of a laugh and a bit of a game, so we decided to go check it out. We see the captain, or what we presume is the captain, reach into his pocket and pull out a packet of cigarettes and then offer us one. What a guy. Somebody should probably tell him though that smoking's bad for you. So please, if you like what you've seen today, please click the like button. Please join us, subscribe, leave us a comment underneath. Also, if you know anything about this vessel, so I know for a fact that the community generally have the best stories about these. You may have worked on it, you may know something interesting about it. I may have got something wrong in this video today, so please identify it below. It helps us get better at what we do. Any advice, any feedback, whatever you got, let us know. So having a good look around the paintwork here, she's looking like she's in pretty good nick. I mean, she's sitting quite low in the water, suggesting that she's got some sort of weight on board. But generally, I'll be honest, pretty decent. There's not too much rust showing. So she's likely to have had a paint job at some point don't know, maybe 6 months, a year ago, maybe a little bit longer than that. But all round, she's looking pretty good. So I'm going to play us out now as we come to the commencement of our tour. Just a little bit of extra footage for you to indulge. So as you know, we're relatively new to the ship spotting game, so please give us any feedback you can. Any input you've got is valuable to us, honestly. So please leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for tuning in. Next week we have got Neuseborg, and be sure to see that one. It's another Wagenborg. It's very similar to this particular ship, however we actually get to see the crew in action hanging over the side. So yeah, be sure to check that one. Please drop us a like, drop us a subscribe, join us. Until next time, this has been SHIPWATCH.